If you're visualizing every day and your life isn't changing, you're not doing it wrong by accident. You've been taught wrong on purpose. And what I'm about to show you is exactly why money hasn't shown up yet. You've done the vision boards, you've imagined the money, you've pictured the lifestyle, but then you open your eyes and nothing. Nothing's changed. It's still the same. So you try harder, more affirmations, more effort, more forcing it, and somehow that makes it worse. That's not manifestation, that's chasing. Neville Goddard said something that most people completely miss. Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Not imagine the thing, feel like the person who already has it. That's where you've been messing up. You've been visualizing from lack instead of visualizing from identity. You've been thinking of your goal instead of thinking from your goal. Thinking of your goal creates distance between where you are and where you want to be. Thinking from it places you in that position and it closes that gap. And your subconscious mind will wonder why it's not a part of your current reality and seek to externalize it in your material world. And you'll find yourself moving across a bridge of incidents to the realization of your desires. Now, let me show you the difference. What most people do is this. I'm imagining money coming to me. I'm hoping this works. I'm waiting. That energy signals to the universe that you don't have it yet. But what actually works is this. I'm making decisions like someone who already has money. I'm thinking like this is normal. I'm not hoping, I'm remembering who I am. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. See the difference? Now, one is trying to get it, the other one is being it. Now, here's the shift that changes everything. Stop asking, how do I get money? And start asking, who am I if money is already mine? Because reality doesn't respond to what you want, it reflects who you believe you are. Rich thinks differently. It doesn't chase, it doesn't doubt, it doesn't check the 3D every 5 minutes. It moves like it's inevitable. Now, here's what I want you to start doing tonight. Step one, kill the old visualization. Stop imagining getting money. Step two, enter the in. Close your eyes and ask, what would it feel like if this was normal? If I already had it? And step three, lock in that identity. Not excitement, not hype, just normal. Because wealthy isn't exciting, it's expected. Step four, walk in it daily and make decisions from that version of you. This is why some people manifest super fast. They don't try harder, they identify differently. Now, the moment you stop visualizing from lack, everything starts moving. That's exactly why I wrote this book, How to Visualize Like a World Champion. It's a 6-step process to reprogram your subconscious mind for health, wealth, love, success, and prosperity. And it tells you what to do, when to do it, when not to do it, the science behind it, what not to say. So if you're interested in reprogramming your subconscious mind for automatic success, don't waste your time trying to put everything together. I've done all the hard work for you. Just read the book, link in the description. And if this clicked with you, comment, I am it now below in the comment section and watch something start to shift in your life. All right, take care.